I'm not even gonna lie right now, guys. I feel like Beyonce. I feel like Beyonce just had all of it. Look at it. Back! Woo! My head almost flew off. You guys, I came up with this yesterday. Brought it to life. You see what I'm working with? Like, it's a little cute party dress. I step into the function, they're like, where you get your outfit from? I'm like, I made it. I made this. I made it. Colors popping real cute on the dark skin. You feel me? Did a little different hat. You know, I usually do the little ruffles. Wanted to switch it up. Wanted to do a wide brim on a hoe. Something real cute on a hoe. Something real cute. Something real cute. I gotta retwist my hair. I got a little afro with the locks, but that's okay. That's okay. It's all right. Look at the dress. I feel like the shimmy, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya, shimmy. Look at that backless though. Get into the curvature of this ass. You can't take it. I ain't even trying to give you a heart attack. You can't take it. Look at me. Adora for fucking bug. Screenshot this. Screenshot this. Screenshot it. Screenshot it, baby. I'm about to go. Y'all not even ready. It ain't even summer yet. It's still spring. Come in here with the neon green. Looking real serene. I gotta tuck my stomach in a little bit more. I don't like this little divot. Hold on, let me go try. Did it work? Hell no. It's okay though. It's okay. Still looking good. Still looking delicious in this bitch. I look delicious. It's giving boy yada 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 yada. It's giving wide brim. Summertime fine. It's giving backless little number. It's giving put your sandals on and go to the beach. It's giving vacation. But I'm staying local. Yeah, that's how you do that right here. Look at the back. Look at the strings. Look at the cheeks. Ignore the shorts. You know, got to cover up fat mine. You feel me? But look, I'm gonna just take some pictures. I know y'all love it though. Screenshot this.
He, she, they one bow. He eat this pussy like gumbo. He like this ass cause it's jumbo. He spinning racks then it go on. He, she, they one bow. He eat this pussy like gumbo. He like this